Welcome back to our channel, where we explore ways to improve our daily lives through mindful practices. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: habit stacking and mindful walking. By combining these two powerful techniques, we can make our daily routines more intentional and rewarding. So, let's dive right in with 5 tips to help you get started. Number 1, start small and build momentum. The key to habit stacking is to start small and gradually build momentum. Begin by identifying an existing habit that you perform consistently, like brushing your teeth or making your morning coffee. Once you've chosen your anchor habit, pair it with a new behavior you want to incorporate, such as stretching for 5 minutes or practicing gratitude. By attaching the new behavior to an existing routine, you're more likely to remember and follow through. Number 2, create clear triggers. To ensure successful habit stacking, it's important to create clear triggers that prompt you to perform the desired behavior. Triggers act as reminders and help you stay consistent. For example, if you want to meditate after brushing your teeth, place your meditation cushion or a sticky note with a reminder next to your toothbrush. This visual cue will serve as a trigger and make it easier for you to remember to meditate every morning. Number 3, be mindful during habit stacking. Mindfulness is a powerful tool that can enhance any activity, including habit stacking. As you engage in your new behavior, bring your full attention to the present moment. Notice the sensations in your body, the thoughts in your mind, and the environment around you. For example, while practicing gratitude during your morning coffee routine, take a moment to savor the aroma and taste of your coffee and reflect on the things you're grateful for. Mindfulness will enrich your habit stacking experience and make it more enjoyable. Number 4, experiment with habit combinations. Habit stacking allows for endless possibilities and combinations. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. You can stack multiple habits together or alternate them throughout the day. For instance, if you enjoy listening to podcasts while going for a walk, combine it with a habit of learning a new language. By alternating between listening to educational podcasts and practicing vocabulary, you'll make your walks not only enjoyable but also productive. Number 5, track your progress and celebrate wins. Lastly, tracking your progress and celebrating wins is essential for maintaining motivation and staying committed. Use a habit tracker or a journal to record your habit stacking efforts. You can create a simple chart or use a habit tracking app on your phone. Each time you successfully complete a habit stack, mark it off and reward yourself. Celebrating wins, no matter how small, will reinforce the positive behavior and encourage you to continue your habit stacking journey. And there you have it, 5 valuable tips for habit stacking and mindful walking. Remember, habit stacking is a versatile technique that can be applied to various areas of your life. By incorporating mindfulness and intention into your routines, you'll discover new levels of productivity, self-care, and personal growth. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content on mindfulness and personal development. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated whenever we upload new videos. We would love to hear from you. Have you tried habit stacking or mindful walking before? Share your experiences and any additional tips you have in the comments below. Let's support and inspire each other on this journey of self-improvement. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, small changes in our daily habits can lead to significant transformations in our lives. So, let's embrace habit stacking and mindful walking to create a more intentional and fulfilling existence. Until next time, stay mindful and keep growing.